everybody. It's Rhett from Record Power. Thank y'all for all the love, support y'all been giving us. Do make sure that y'all hit that like button. Do make sure that y'all hit the subscribe button. We got a lot more coming in Council's Kitchen. Some from Recreational Power. We got fashion shows and things that we're about to start uploading. So definitely subscribe.
Yes, we did season it, but then Uncle made the old corn and the old aroni. You know, we get down with the rice. Keep your copyrights. But this is straight from Skrizak. Yeah, it looks crazy, Blizzak. That jerk chicken, we seasoned it so well, it scared the hell out of us. But my son took care of it, and look at the meat. Look at the meat, baby. Let's go. Ah, man, I'm not even sure if I put enough hot sauce. I ain't putting no hot sauce. I ain't seasoning, just jerk. Let's go. I'm going to eat. Bye. Council's Kitchen. Hit us up. Bye.